What's the meaning of charger? Charger. Charger.
Charger. Charger. The word charger can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One of the most common meanings of charger is a device that is used to replenish the battery of an electronic device, such as a phone or laptop. Typically, chargers are connected to a power source and then plugged into the device that needs to be charged. The charger works by supplying a steady stream of electrical energy to the battery, allowing it to recharge over time. Other possible meanings of charger include a type of horse, a person who charges a fee for a service, or a type of weapon.